Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? Today we will be doing our English general work. So kindly take out your junior English book 1 and let's begin. Okay, so today we will be doing page number 21 of singular and plural. I have already told you that when a noun is supposed to be changed into more than one thing, then you need to add s, okay? But there are some nouns in which you need to add es at the end to make them plural, okay? So those nouns are x, the sound of x. If you want to change this particular noun, this singular noun, into a plural noun, you need to add the words es, the letters es at the end to make them plural, okay? In the same way, the sounds ending with h, you have to, when you, this is a singular noun, if you want to change it into plural, you need to add es at the end to make this noun plural, okay? In the similar way, you have this word one bus, okay? But if you want to make this noun plural, you have to add es at the end. Bus, buses, okay? In the similar way, we will be doing our exercise over here. So today the date is 18th of September 2020 and the day is Friday. Today we will be doing this book work in the book, okay? These both of the exercises will be done in the book, and we'll be making plurals by adding es. A little short summary in Urdu. जब आप सिंगुलर नाउन से प्लूरल नाउन पे लेके जा रहे होते हैं तो कहीं कहीं आपको एस लगाना का होता है और कहीं कहीं ई एस लगाना होता है, ओके? तो ज साउंड पे, बॉक्स साउंड पे आपको ई एस लगाना है. इन द सिमिलर वे, जहाँ पे आपको एच का साउंड आ रहा है वहाँ पे भी आपको, जब आप इसको प्लूरल में चेंज करेंगे तो आप इसके यहाँ पे ई एस लगाएंगे. जहाँ यहाँ पे बस है, स साउंड पे भी आप ई एस लगाएंगे अगर आप इसको प्लूरल बनाना चाहते हैं तो, ओके? अब हम एक्सरसाइज की तरफ बढ़ेंगे. एक्सरसाइज ए, राइट द मिसिंग वर्ड्स, ईच एंड्स विथ ई एस. Okay, you have to write, these are the blanks, you have to fill them by making these nouns. First we will identify the noun. The first noun is bush, the second one is watch, coach, brush, box, peach, dish, church, torch, match. These are the nouns, okay? You need to make these nouns into plural now, and by adding es at the end of the nouns. Okay, I'll repeat it in Urdu that you need to write, आपको जो है यहाँ पे जो नाउन्स हैं, ये नाउन्स आपको प्लूरल में चेंज करने हैं और उसके आखिर में आपको ई एस लगाना है. ओके, लेट्स बिगिन. 1 bush, 4 bushes, ई एस, you have to put ई एस at the end. 1 watch, 6 watches, 1 coach, 2 coaches, 1 brush, 5 brushes, 1 box, z sound again, 9 boxes, 1 peach, a dish of peaches, a dish, a set of dishes, a church, a few churches, a torch, many torches, a match, a box of matches, okay? Every time you are making these nouns ending with h, s or x, you have to put es while making them plural. जब भी आप इन nouns को h साउंड पे एंड होने वाले, x साउंड पे एंड होने वाले और s साउंड पे एंड होने वाले, जो भी आप इनको बनाएंगे आपको es लगाना है जब आप प्लूरल बना रहे होंगे इनका, ओके? इन द सिमिलर वे वी विल बी डूइंग एक्सरसाइज बी, ओके? Use the words you have made to fill these gaps. Now this exercise is linked with this one. These are the sentences that are given over here. You have to pick a word from this list and then you have to add it over here. आपको यहाँ से एक word उठाना है हर एक sentence के लिए और यहाँ पे add करके इनको complete करना है. Okay, number 1 and 2 is not clear, so I have written it over here. The watchmaker sold many different clocks and watches. We are referring over here to the watchmaker, ठीक है? So it means that we are talking about watches, okay? So the watchmaker sold many different clocks and watches. Okay, usually we in the if we go to a clockmaker's house, shop, what do we find? We find clocks and watches over there. ठीक है, जब हम वहाँ जाते हैं किसी भी घड़ी वाले की दुकान पे, तो यूजुअली हमें जो है ना घड़ियाँ मिलती हैं, या फिर जो रिस्ट वॉचेस होती हैं वो मिलती हैं, या वॉल क्लॉक्स मिलती हैं, या हमें रिस्ट वॉचेस मिलती हैं. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट वन. देयर वर लॉट्स ऑफ स्ट्रॉबेरीज इन द bushes. When you over here we are talking about strawberries, and strawberries are usually grown on bushes. Strawberries जो है वो ज़्यादातर bushes पे ही पाई जाती हैं. The next one, many dash have a tall tower. You must have seen a church. It has tall towers in which you have a ding dong bell. Okay, whenever it is their prayer time or whenever it is their namaz time, they ring that particular bell, or for any of the announcements. Okay, so we will be writing churches over here because it is not properly visible to you people. I have written the answer over here. Okay, I have written it over here and over here as well. You need to write it over here. यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे, बजाय इसके कि आप यहाँ लिखें, मैंने सिर्फ आपकी क्लैरिटी के लिए यहाँ लिखा है इसको. ओके, Janet dropped the dash on the floor. Janet dropped the dishes on the floor. उसने जो प्लेट्स थी या डिशेस थी वो गिर गई उसके हाथ से. The man used 4 matches to light the fire. Whenever we are lightening the fire, whenever we are putting out a fire, so you need to light the fire with the help of matches. Matches means जो आपकी तीलियाँ होती हैं, ठीक है. Box of matches you must have heard, ठीक है. Usually you use it to light your stove. Usually आप इसको यूज़ करते हैं अपना चूल्हा जलाने के लिए. 2 dash took the party to town. 2 coaches took the party to town. Joseph got the brushes to clean his shoes. You know, whenever you want to clean your shoes, you need to have particular brushes for it. That is what we are talking about. Emma was given 2 boxes of chocolate. Everybody loves chocolate, and the chocolates usually come in boxes. Adrian bought a tin of dash and a pot of cream. A tin of peaches and a pot of cream. That is understood that when we already have mentioned strawberries with the bushes, then only the peaches, only one particular thing for eating is left with the cream. Some dash throw their light a long way. Some torches throw their light a long way. Torches means आपने देखा होगा जो usually torches हमारे पास होती हैं. We usually carry torches because in Pakistan there is an electricity issue. You don't know at what time that particular electricity is gone, and you need a torch. So some mobile phones have the facility of flashlights, and they act as torches when light is not there. Similarly, some people who don't want to use the light the flashlight of the phone, they carry torches in their purse. Okay, some torches are very high powered, they have high batteries, and some they don't have enough batteries. They are just throwing light in all the directions so that particular person can see. Okay, it is a faded light. So कुछ जो टॉर्चेस होती हैं वो बहुत अच्छी लाइट फेंकती हैं, कुछ टॉर्चेस जो है वो बिल्कुल डिम लाइट फेंकती हैं. इसका मतलब यहाँ पे ये है. आई होप कि आपको ये समझ आ गया होगा. और भी कोई अगर डिफ़िकल्टी हो तो प्लीज़ लेट मी नो. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.